Hi, my name's Alistair,
My name's Ian.
and this is Studio Rendezvous Makes Games, update number 1. So this is our blog, and it's going to contain all the in-depth information about the game that we're currently working on. It's going to have things that aren't in the videos because if we were to make a video about all of the design decisions that we go through, then it would just be incredibly long and boring, and it wouldn't be for everyone. So all we're going to do is keep the videos really short and just have all of the cool information and awesome images that we can show you guys as we progress through the game.
So we started a new game, Zeros to Heroes, a strategic management game. The story of the game goes like this. The king is left to do battle in distant lands, and he's taken all the best heroes and his best army, all the best everything with him. And you're left to manage his affairs at home, and everyone left over in the kingdom is just completely incompetent, the worst of the worst, just awful. And so you must, with these unlikely heroes, raise an army, train up your heroes, and defend and maintain your kingdom as best as you can until his return. And so once we kind of figured out the idea, to start off, we did some paper prototyping. We sat down, started designing what we thought the game should look like, what the elements should be in there, how they interacted, and how they laid out with the UI. That was really fun. I think we both enjoyed that a lot. After that, we did some hero design. We wanted to make sure that we communicated that these people are just not what you expect when you think about a hero. Just, completely incompetent, but still have interesting personalities. The opposite of your typical hero. After that, we started to figure out how we were going to procedurally generate these characters. Why procedurally generated? Because we want everyone to have a unique hero, basically. And it also makes it efficient for us to animate lots of characters at once. I like the very simple look of it, where you can see that that really basic shapes, and there's a head, and you plug it into the body, and you have arms, and you plug it to the body. I think it looks really nice, but I think we still need to do a lot of styling there. We also started to design the UI, showing the stats of the hero, figuring out what needs to be on there, and also doing some kind of medieval styling with scrolls and easy to read trait cards for the heroes.
We also did some prototyping in Unity. We started with generating all of the user data so that we can load and save a player's heroes or missions that they've been on. We also did hero generation, booting heroes with just random stats that we can save and have in the game and have something to work with. We did some mission generation so that heroes can go on missions, and the missions just have random objectives and random time it takes and random rewards and things like that. But really we're focusing on building the main management loop first so that we can begin iteration as soon as possible, and we can figure out what exactly will make this game really fun. And in order to do that, I'm just using placeholder graphics and terrible looking art to begin with.
The best art.
The best art.
Alright, so that's everything for this week's update. If you want to see more information or keep up to date with what we've been up to, you can follow us on our blog on Tumblr or on Twitter. Links are down below. We hope you enjoyed this update, and please consider subscribing if you like it, and leave a message for us in the comments.